So it looked cool before. You didn't see this part though. Way better. I was like, man, usually on these pictures I'm pretty wowed. When I get there, I'm still pretty wowed, but man, not this part. Not nearly as cool.
And it's time a yellow full moon. Everything that is to know. Fireworks and even the smallest show. Sometimes you wanna raise your walls to a high point. You don't have to tell.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Shoshone Falls Park. You can kind of see a little bits of glimpses of it over here. Got some right here. Show you a little view. Shoshone Falls, and we're gonna go and get some views of the Shoshone Falls. Don't know much about it other than it looks amazing, and we're gonna go look and see if we can get some views. It looks like it's actually a dam. I can see like there's a dam over here somewhere and down there, so it looks like some of this is man-made and they're using it for power, so that's good. So it is what is it, when's Thursday, I think? Thursday, June 19th, it's Juneteenth, 2025. And it is amazing weather today. I think right now it's probably 75. My phone says about 75 degrees. It's supposed to get up to about 90 today. So getting our hikes in while it's nice and cool still today. So this morning we were over in Twin Falls area. We're just 20 minutes outside of Twin Falls to drive here, and we did the canyon rim walk, and we were at that waterfall, and so you can see we're still in the Snake River Canyon here, but just a little bit further away. And I think, if I'm not wrong, I did see the sign, the Rim Canyon Trail that just kind of runs on that rim there actually comes all the way here, and I saw the trailhead was over here too, so you could walk from here all the way into Twin Falls if you really wanted to. So we're gonna go ahead and get up here and get some good views and share the rest of the views here of Shoshone Falls Park with you. Oh, and I believe it's not a state park, it's a park. We had to pay $5 for parking to come in here, so it must be private, I guess. I'm not sure. If you know, let me know in the comments below. So, man, these canyon walls are pretty awesome. And why am I getting wet? We are pretty far away from the water, and I am getting misted on. So that makes me confused and looking for birds or something else. That yeah, maybe a sprinkler system. Must be. Maybe on that hill there's a sprinkler system. Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll get down here and get some views of the falls. Okay, so here we are approaching the viewpoint over here. Looks like there's some stairs down. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that. Woo! There you go. This is what you come here for. So it looked cool before. You didn't see this part though. Way better. I was like, man, usually on these pictures I'm pretty wowed. When I get there, I'm still pretty wowed, but man, without this part, not nearly as cool. Look at that. And we got a rainbow. Here we go. Twin Falls, Idaho, everybody. If you have not been to Idaho, Here's a reason to come. Look at that. Looks like we got some kayakers down here. And I am getting a little bit of mist now. Look at that. Very cool. And then into the Snake River Canyon, you can kind of see. We've been driving all along today. Just some awesome views. Looks like Micah's coming down. So I'm gonna go ahead and soak in some of these views, help Mike get down the stairs, and then we will go down over here as another view, and we might go over the view over there too. We'll see. Okay, I got a view here from the lower spot, and I've got some bushes kind of in the way, unfortunately. Let's see, you can kind of see the back side a little bit better over here. And maybe a peek through. Yeah, I think the bushes are going to be a bit too high, but more awesome views here in Idaho. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And I got other spots that we could do in the area. I don't think we're going to do any today, but this is an area where I think we're going to need to come back and do like a 3-5 day vacation, maybe even longer. I mean, you could probably spend a week in the Twin Falls area and have a blast every day. Okay, so I think we're going to attempt to walk further down the trail and see if we can get another great shot here before we start heading back out.
In this time of yellow full moon, so come on and hide your sorrow, feed your soul, let it be the hardest thing to find, and set your conscience.
Okay, so we thought we could hike from there, and we saw that we could hike there, but it doesn't look like you can hike there. Looks like it ends right here. So there must be some type of parking lot up there where you can just see this overlook. But we hiked over here anyway, get a cool little view here down, and you can see all the kayakers. There's some kayakers right around there. Really cool spot. Another view from over here. Man, just a really cool spot. I think doing a kayak like these people down here would be pretty awesome. It's just a very awesome, unique set of falls. Nothing like it that we've ever seen. So I think we're gonna go ahead. I know it's gonna be a shorter video, but there's not a lot of hiking to it, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you like the video, go ahead, hit the like button now. Comment if you have any comments, questions, other things to do here in this area that we don't want to miss out on. I mean, look at that, and a little rainbow there. So comment if you know anything else about the Twin Falls area we need to do, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Subscribe now. We got plenty more coming from this area right here with stuff like this and much more. We're going to be out here out west for another few more videos, and then we are headed to Europe this summer. So we got just a couple more months and we'll be heading to Europe, and we'll get some sweet stuff from there. Oh man, one of the kayakers is right down here, and there's a little shelf and a rock, and he's standing on it outside of his kayak. He's probably getting some awesome shots there. Cool. So until then, we'll see you in the next one.
Let the beating of your heart lead into mine.